Solved problems. Cost accounting MCQs. 16 cost accounting MCQs. 16 cost accounting multiple choice questions with answers by Accounts Lobby. Hi friends, today we ask 16 multiple choice questions on cost accounting and give you 10 seconds to guess the answer, and counting down after 10 seconds you will see the correct answer. 1. Cost accounting makes optimum use of scarce resources which ultimately add to the dash of business. Options A. Loss. Option B. Profitability. Option C. Extinction. After D. Merger. Answer. Profitability. 2. Dash is the process of determining and accumulating the cost of product or activity. Options A. Cost accounting. Option B. Financial accounting. Option C. Cost control. Option D. Cost audit. Answer A. Cost accounting. 3. Dash involves the classifying, recording and appropriate allocation of expenditure for the determination of cost of products or services. Options A. Pricing. Option B. Costing. Option C. Balancing. Option D. Cost auditing. Answer. Option B. Costing. 4. Cost accounting is a quantitative method that accumulates, classifies, summarizes and interprets information for dash. Option A. Operational planning and control. B. Special decision. C. Product decision. D. All of these. Answer D. All of these. 5. Dash is the objective of cost accounting. Options A. Controlling cost. B. Ascertaining cost of profit. C. Determining selling price. D. All of the above. Answer D. All of the above. 6. The term costing and cost accounting are many times used interchangeably, but the scope of cost accounting is dash. Option A. Limited as compared to costing. B. Broader than that of costing. C. Equal to costing. D. There is no relation between costing and cost accounting. Answer B. Broader than that of costing. 7. Dash involves the process of finding out the causal factors of actual cost varying from the budgeted cost and inflation of responsibility for cost increases. Option A. Cost analysis. Option B. Cost ascertainment. Option C. Cost bookkeeping. Option D. Cost system. Answer. Cost analysis. 8. Dash involves maintaining complete record of all costs incurred from their in currency to their charge to different products and services. Option A. Cost ascertainment. B. Cost bookkeeping. C. Cost system. D. Cost comparison. Answer B. Cost bookkeeping. 9. Dash refer to presentation of cost primarily used by the management at different levels. Options A. Cost audit. Option B. Cost ascertainment. Option C. Cost reports. Option D. Cost system. Answer option C, cost reports. 10. Compared with financial accounting, cost accounting is relatively dash development. A. Option A, old. Option B, recent. Option C, earliest. Option D, both A and C. Answer B, recent. 11. Cost accounting started as a branch of option A, financial accounting. Option B, management accounting. Option C, corporate accounting. Option D, Vedic accounting. Answer option A, financial accounting. 12. The vital importance that cost accounting has acquired in the modern age is because of the growth of dash in modern industry. Option A, technologies. Option B, creativity. Option C, complexities. Option D, simplicity. Answer C, complexities. 13. In brief, dash is the activity of finding out the cost of products and services. Option A, financial accounting. Option B, management accounting. Option C, corporate accounting. Option D, cost accounting. Answer D, cost accounting. 14. Cost accounting provides dash cost information to various levels of management for efficient performance of their functions. Option A, minute. Option B, limited. Option C, detailed. Option D, both A and B. Answer C, detailed. 15. Modern management needs dash information than supplied by financial statements like profit and loss account and balance sheet. Option A, less detailed. B, much more detailed. C, limited amount of. D, much more restricted. Answer B, much more detailed. 16. The information supplied by cost accounting acts as a tool of management for making dash. Option A, minimum use of scarce resources. Option B, maximum use of resources. Option C, optimum use of scarce resources. Option D, all of the above. Answer C, optimum use of scarce resources. Recap. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Accounts Lobby for various solved problems and lectures on accountancy.